exciting, and I'm going to make videos for y'all out there. First thing I want to say is I want all of y'all, everybody, to go follow my best friend, Grayson, at West Scorpion, and check out all his videos. He's awesome, he's fun, and he's amazing, and he just blows your mind away. So I want y'all to go do that. Second thing I want to do is I want all of y'all to watch my videos every Friday and Saturday that I'm going to post if I don't have color guard practice. And if I get 10 likes on this one, then I'm going to post more. The other thing I want to thank is for my brother and sister for helping me do my clip art, and videotaping me for this. So, thanks.
One.
Are you ready? Come get it. Nah, nah.